Hey there, ever dreamt of becoming a pro skipper? With my home-based bridge simulator course, you can make that dream a reality. With over 10 years of experience in maritime operations, I've trained countless aspiring skippers just like you. In this course, you'll master essential skills like tugboat maneuvering, yacht navigation, radar techniques, and voyage planning using a simulator. Imagine handling single-propeller tugboats and motor yachts with confidence, navigating safely using real-time radar and knowing exactly what to do in emergencies to avoid collisions. Plus, you'll get hands-on with voyage planning using OpenCPN. Our training method is all about practical learning. You'll benefit from real-time simulator demonstrations and step-by-step exercises for docking, undocking, and navigating. We also tackle advanced scenarios to prep you for real-world challenges. The course is broken down into engaging chapters. You'll start with setting up OpenCPN for navigation, move on to basic tugboat maneuvering techniques, and then dive into motor yacht handling basics. You'll also learn radar navigation for collision avoidance and tackle advanced scenarios like emergency handling and voyage planning. So, are you ready to take the helm? Enroll in training skippers using a home-based bridge simulator today and gain real-world maritime skills with my expert guidance. Available now on Udemy, bringing high-quality maritime training right to your home. Hit that enroll button and start your skipper journey today.